New features for Civil 3D 2022 include the expanded capabilities of the connected alignment workflow, particularly for complex intersections and interchanges. When selecting intersecting alignments, users have a broader range of geometric options for the connecting alignment. You can select multi-arc curves or a combination of spiral curve connections. You can also specify the exact radius, curve length, or angle for each segment of the curve. Civil 3D will then generate the alignment based on the input parameters. You can also create loop ramp alignments with the same function. With the spiral curve spiral option, you can create alignments that are greater than 180 degrees. There are several spiral types to choose from. You can also match the profile of the crossing alignments based on the offset cross slope. The connected alignments are also dynamic. Users have the option to adjust the spiral length and the radius or length of curve of the output alignment. The new connected alignment solution supports complex curve groups, offset from parent alignments, curves larger than 180 degrees, and it will calculate the crossfall of the associated profiles. This tool puts greater control into your hands for intersection design.